as I said in my previous video, how to use WhatsApp web on your phone. So first of all, that you have to do is just download Google Chrome, whatever. Just download Google Chrome. Yeah. So you just have to go to Play Store, App Store, and download Google Chrome. Yeah. So after you have downloaded Google Chrome, you click on the menu button. Okay. You click on the menu button. You click on the menu button, and you select desktop site. So you realize in here there's desktop site. You select desktop site, so you click on the desktop site and make sure it has been ticked. So you're writing here desktop site has been ticked. Okay, so this shows that every site that I will open, it will open a desktop version of that site. Every site that I will open, it is going to be opening a desktop version. Okay, so you just have to enter in the WhatsApp web address. So web.whatsapp web.whatsapp.com. Yeah, so realizing it has given me a desktop version of the WhatsApp web, so I can just scan it using my other. If I was to have another mobile phone, I can just scan it and I'll be using it on this phone. Yeah, so that's how to use the WhatsApp web, how to get this WhatsApp web on your phone. Yeah, and you can also use this same thing in every other. Let's say you are in a particular site and you want a desktop version of it. Sometimes the desktop version of a website contains some exclusive items as compared to the mobile version. Yeah, so you can use this to sort things out. Yeah, so, and again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thank you guys uh for subscribing, liking my videos. Thank you guys all. And please, my other group has been is full, and creating more is like tedious. So you just have to kindly join the Telegram group if you want to reach me. If you want to reach me, you can just join the Telegram group. Okay. So thank you.